Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying the Bad Habit Repair Mode AHA and BHA Night Treatment. This product retails for $24. So I am very excited to be trying out an exfoliator from the brand Bad Habit. I feel like that the ingredient list of this product is really good, and I'm hoping that it will work for me. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Some of the highlighted ingredients in this product include a blend of BHA and AHA, antioxidant-rich blue lotus, and magnesium. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description. So AHA and BHA combination products are either a hit or miss. They can either be really sensitizing and deliver a great amount of results, or sometimes they won't cause any sensitivity but still deliver great results. I'm really hoping that this will be a more gentle product. It does have a nice combination of both AHAs and BHAs, so I'm hoping it will be the perfect balance. Some of the things that I'm looking for in this product include, does it cause any sensitivity? Like I said before, sometimes combining too many actives can be a bad thing, and you really don't need to stress your skin out. This product says it has ingredients to help stress skin, so I'm hoping that means it is a little bit more gentle. Another thing I'm wanting to see is just what kind of results I find. That's another big thing that I'm looking for with AHA and BHA products, because it does have that nice combination of actives that do deliver a great amount of results. The final thing I'm looking for is just to see how often I feel like I could use this. I would recommend starting out using this once to twice a week. Usually AHA and BHA products you do not want to use every day unless it is just very gentle. I haven't felt this product yet, and I will be curious to see how often I feel like I could use it. I will be continuing to do check-ins with this product, and if I notice anything else, I will let you all know. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and let you all know my first impressions on this product. I used it for the very first time the other night, and I did experience just a little bit of initial sensitivity. With how many actives there are in this product, I was happily surprised that I didn't experience any sensitivity after I woke up, and the sensitivity that I did experience when I first used it faded very fast. I do think this product has glycolic acid in it, so usually the first time using a new glycolic acid product, I do experience a little bit of sensitivity, but I definitely think that this product is only meant to be used maybe once to twice a week. I'm going to try to use it one more time this week and just see if I experience too much sensitivity. If I do, then I will hold back on it. Definitely start out slow with this product. I really like how moisturizing it is. It's not very drying to the skin. I'm really hoping that the more that I use this, the more great results I'll see. I will continue using it, and if I notice anything else, I'll let you all know. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I am back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Overall, I did have a very great experience with this product. I saw some amazing results in my skin with the 2 weeks of trying it out. I feel like this product is designed very well. I really like the combination of actives that it combines to create one product that is simple to use. I also liked the fact that I didn't experience any sensitivity after using it. There is just a little bit of an initial sting to my skin, but I think it is the AHAs in this product. It was something that I did notice fade away very quickly. And I also was very careful not to mix this product with any other actives. I do feel like that it would act as a replacement for your regular BHA or AHA products. I used it once every other day and just kind of alternated depending on how my skin felt that week. The first week I only used it twice and it was perfect. This week I have used it 3 times and it was also perfect, but my skin was going through a little bit more this week and I felt like I could. So I definitely think that you just need to listen to your skin and kind of get a feel for how your skin reacts to it before you can decide how often you can use it. Also be very careful with this product. It is a potent product. Like, I can really tell that the actives are potent and they will strip your skin and damage your skin barrier if you are not careful, if you do not wear sunscreen. I really think that that should be included in the marketing behind this product. Like, I mean, it's obvious to wear sunscreen no matter what, but I do feel like this product could cause even more sensitivity if you are not careful with it and if you do not start out very slow with this. There weren't really many instructions on when to use it, which is not a huge deal, but I do think that you should start out slow, maybe use it once a week and just see how your skin reacts to it, and then you can get a feel for how often you can use it going forward. Overall though, my skin texture and acne and everything is doing so much better thanks to this product. My hyperpigmentation is also fading and I am very happy with the results I've seen with it. I do think that it is a wonderful product and they did an amazing job of putting all of these actives in one product to make it even easier to use. I would 100% recommend trying out this product. I don't find myself using very much of it because it is something that you only use when you need it. So you could definitely get a lot of use out of this, and it's not an expensive product in the first place, so that just kind of makes it even better. I would 100% recommend trying it out. Be more careful if you have sensitive skin. I definitely think if you have a lot of skin concerns like acne and hyperpigmentation, texture, this would be an amazing product for you because it will target all of that at once. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.